Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. Now we will begin practice set 7.1 on textbook page number 36. Write the following statements using the symbol of variation. Means you have to write the answer in symbol of the meaning of this question. When you are writing the answer in symbol, you should use only the alphabet letters of the given question. First one, circumference C of a circle is directly proportional to its radius r. Circumference is given C alphabet letter and radius is given R alphabet letter. So the meaning is C is directly proportional to R. This way you have to write the answer in symbol. Next, consumption of petrol L in a car and distance travelled by that car D are in direct variation. Consumption of petrol alphabet letter is given L and distance travelled by that car alphabet letter is given D. So the answer is L is directly proportional to D. Next, complete the following table considering that the cost of apples and their number are in direct variation. Number of apples and cost of apples are given in direct variation. Number of apples variable is given x, cost of apples variable is given y. So you have to write the statement x is directly proportional to y. Use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. X is equal to ky, where k is a constant of variation. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. In first column, x how much is given? 1. Y is given 8. You have to substitute the value of x which is given 1 and y which is given 8 by using the formula of constant of variation in direct variation. That is 1 is equal to k into 8. You have to find the constant of variation. K you have to take it on left side. Number 1 which is there, take it on right side and take it on numerator. Number 8 which is there here, you have to write on denominator. That is k is equal to 1 upon 8. The constant of variation k is 1 upon 8. Now you have to write equation of variation form. X is equal to 1 upon 8, y is the equation of variation. When you are writing equation of variation form, only you have to substitute the value of k which you got the answer here. You don't have to substitute the value x and y. Only constant of variation which you got here, that only value you have to substitute. So this is the equation of variation. Now in every column when you are solving the sum, constant of variation k is equal to 1 upon 8 you have to take. If x value is given and y value is not given, if y value is given and x value is not given. Second column, x is given 4 and y is given 32. Second column, 4 and 32 which is given of x and y value. 4 ones are 4, 8s are is going 32. So second column also I am getting answer 1 upon 8. So constant of variation k is 1 upon 8. In third column you have to find the value of x. Y value is given 56. X is equal to question mark, y is equal to 56. You have to use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. X is equal to ky, where k is a constant of variation. You have to find the value of x. K value you already got the answer. Constant of variation k is equal to 1 upon 8. Constant of variation k you have to substitute the value 1 upon 8. That is x is equal to 1 upon 8 into 56. Y value is given 56. I have substituted the value of y which is given here 56. In place of y you have to write 56. You can do the cancellation. 56 divided by 8 also you can do. You can do the cancellation. Table is going. I have done the cancellation here. 8 table is going up 56. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. Now you have to multiply this. 7 ones are 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. If you got x value 7, you have to write the answer over here, which blank is given here. In next column, x is equal to 12 is given. Y you have to find. X is equal to 12. Y is equal to question mark. X is equal to ky, where k is a constant of variation. Now you have to find y value. Constant of variation k, you have to substitute the value 1 upon 8, and x value is given 12. 12 is equal to 1 upon 8 into y. I have substituted the value according to this formula. In place of x, I wrote it 12 because x value is given 12. K value I told you, constant of variation k, you have to substitute the value 1 upon 8, which you already got the answer before. Y you have to find. Now you have to use the cross multiplication. Y you have to take it on left side, and you have to multiply this 12 into 8. Y is equal to 12 into 8. Say 12 table and get the answer. 12 8s are 96. Therefore, y is equal to 96. 96 answer you have to write it here in this blank. Last column, x is not given, y is given 160. X is equal to question mark, y is equal to 160. X is equal to ky, where k is a constant of variation. Now substitute the value y, x you have to find. Substitute the value k, constant of variation, is equal to 1 upon 8. X is equal to 1 upon 8 into 160. Divide 160 by 8. I have divided 160 by 8. I am getting the quotient 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20. If you got the value of x 20, you have to write the answer here. Next, if m is directly proportional to n, and when m is equal to 154, n is equal to 7, find the value of m when n is equal to 14. Now you have to write the statement what is given in question. M is directly proportional to n. You have to use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. The formula of the constant of variation in direct variation is m is equal to kn, where k is a constant of variation. M value and n value what is given in question, you have to write in next statement. When m is equal to 154, n is equal to 7, you have to find the value of k, which is a constant variation, by using this formula. 154 is equal to k into 7. I have substituted the value of m what is given. In place of m, I wrote 154. K you have to write as it is because you have to find the value of k. In place of n, I wrote 7. I have substituted the value of n. K is equal to 154 upon 7. K which is there on the right side, I took it on left side because you have to find k value. And 154 which is on the left side, you have to take it on right side and it will go on numerator. Number 7, you have to take it on denominator. Means you have to divide 154 by 7. I have divided 154 by 7. I am getting the quotient 22. Therefore, k is equal to 22. Now you have to write the equation of variation form. Equation of variation is m is equal to 22n. K value what you got here, constant of variation. Answer what you got, you have to write only the K value number. M and N you don't have to substitute the number when you write equation of variation. Now same question, you have to find the value of M when N is equal to 14 is given. You have to read the next sentence, same question. Statement and formula you have to use the same. M is directly proportional to N. M is equal to Kn, where K is a constant of variation. Even when you are finding any one of the value of variable which is not given, you have to use the formula of the constant of variation. Now you are finding the M value. K value which I got here, answer is 22. M is equal to question mark, N is equal to 14. Your next sentence you have to read and you have to write that. M is equal to 22 into 14. K value I got answer 22, which I divided 154 by 7. The answer which I got here 154 by 7 here, this is the K value. So this value you have to substitute. Now you have to multiply 22 into 14. I have multiplied here 22 into 14. I am getting the answer 308. Therefore, M is equal to 308. This is the final answer. Next, if N varies directly as M, complete the following table. Question number 4 sums you have to solve same like question number 2 sums how we have solved. You have to write the statement N is directly proportional to M. You have to use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. N is equal to Km, where K is a constant of variation. When you are writing the formula of the constant of variation, variable which is given in question, you have to take that and then you have to use the formula of the constant of variation. N is equal to 12, M is equal to 3. In first column C, N is given 12, M is 3. 12 is equal to K into 3. I have substituted the value of N is equal to 12. In place of N I wrote 12. Constant of variation K you have to find. In place of M I wrote 3 because M value is given 3. Take K on the left side, 12 on the right side in numerator and 3 on denominator. That is K is equal to 12 upon 3. You have to divide 12 by 3. You can directly do cancellation here if you know the table. 3 ones are, 3 fours are. Therefore, K is equal to 4. Constant of variation K is equal to 4. Now you have to write equation of variation form. Equation of variation is N is equal to 4M. When you are solving the sums in all the columns, you have to take constant of variation K is equal to 4, which you already solved. Look at second column. N is equal to 20, M is equal to 5. You have to use the same formula. N is equal to Km, where K is the constant of variation. Then you have to substitute the value. N is equal to 20, M is equal to 5. Then you have to divide 20 by 5. You will get the same answer. Constant of variation K is equal to 4 you will get. When you solve third column, fourth column and fifth column, you have to take the value of constant of variation K is equal to 4. Now we will solve third one. M is equal to 6.5 is given and you have to find. M is equal to 6.5, N is equal to question mark. N is equal to Km, where K is the constant of variation. N is equal to 4 into 6.5 because you have to find the value of N here. Constant of variation K you have to take it as 4, which you already got answer. Then M value is given here 6.5. you have to substitute the value of m 6.5. Now multiply this 4 into 6.5. I have multiplied here 6.5 into 4. I am getting the answer 26. Here one decimal point is there. Before one digit you have to put decimal point. Therefore n is equal to 26. 26 you have to write answer here. If you got the value of n is equal to 26, because here blank is gone, I wrote the answer here. Now we will solve fourth column. M you have to find, n is equal to 28 is given. M is equal to question mark, n is equal to 28. Use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. N is equal to Km, where K is the constant of variation. N is equal to 28 is given. You have to substitute the value n is equal to 28. Constant of variation K is equal to 4 you have to take, because you already got that answer. You have to find m. That is 28 is equal to 4 into m. M you have to take it on left side, because you have to find number 28, take it on right side on numerator, and 4 you have to take it on denominator. That is m is equal to 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4, 4 table is going. 4 ones are 4, 7s are. Therefore m is equal to 7. M is equal to 7, which you got the answer, you have to write here. Now we'll solve last column. M is equal to 1.25 and you have to find. M is equal to 1.25, n is equal to question mark. N is equal to Km, where K is a constant of variation. You have to find the value of n. M is given 1.25. You have to substitute the value. M is equal to 1.25. Constant of variation K, you have to take it as 4, which you already got that answer before. N is equal to 4 into 1.25. In place of m, I have taken it as 1.25 because m value is given 1.25. You have to find n. And constant of variation K, I have taken it as 4. You have to multiply. Its variables are together. So multiply this 4 into 1.25. I have multiplied here 1.25 into 4. I am getting the answer 5. Here 2 decimal place is there. Before 2 digit is there decimal point. So answer also is coming before 2 digit decimal point. Therefore n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5, which you got the answer. You have to write here in this blank. Next, y varies directly as square root of x. When x is equal to 16, y is equal to 24. Find the constant of variation and equation of variation. In question what is given, you have to write that statement. Y is directly proportional to square root of x. Use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. Y is equal to k root of x, where k is a constant of variation. Value of x and y, how much is given? You have to write next statement. X is equal to 16, y is equal to 24. You have to substitute the value of y is equal to 24, x is equal to 16 by using the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. That is 24 is equal to k into square root of 16. In place of y, I have taken 24. K value I have to find, which means constant of variation. In place of square root of x, I wrote square root of 16 because x value is given 16, y value is given 24. I have substituted the value according to this formula. Now next step, you have to find square root of 16. 24 and k write as it is. Square root of 16, find it now. 24 is equal to k into 4. square root of 16 is 4. 4 4s are 16. Now you have to find the constant variation. You have to find the value of k. K you have to take it on left side. Number 24 is there, you have to take it on right side, and you have to take it on numerator. And number 4 which is there here, you have to take it on denominator. That is k is equal to 24 upon 4. You have to divide 24 by 4. I have divided 24 by 4. I am getting the quotient 6. 4 6 are 24. Therefore, k is equal to 6. Constant of variation k is 6. Now you have to write equation of variation form. Equation of variation is y is equal to 6 square root of x. When you are writing the equation of variation, k value what answer you got here, only you have to write that number. You don't have to substitute y and x value. Only you have to substitute the value of k, which is the constant of variation, when you are writing equation of variation. Last question. The total remuneration paid to laborers employed to harvest soybean is in direct variation with the number of laborers. If remuneration of 4 laborers is ₹1000, find the remuneration of 17 laborers. The remuneration and the number of laborers are in direct variation, but their values are not given in variables. So you have to take the variables on your own. Let P be the remuneration and Q be the number of laborers. You have to write the statement like this. Read this second sentence. If the remuneration of 4 laborers is ₹1000, I have taken P variable remuneration. So P is equal to ₹1000 and Q is equal to 4. Q I have taken number of laborers. P is directly proportional to Q. P is equal to KQ, where K is the constant of variation. Now you have to substitute the value of P is equal to 1000, Q is equal to 4. You have to find constant of variation K. That is 1000 is equal to K into 4. K is equal to 1000 divided by 4. I have divided 1000 by 4. I am getting the quotient 250. Therefore, K is equal to 250. Constant of variation K is equal to 250. Equation of variation is P is equal to 250Q. Now you have to find the remuneration of 17 laborers. Remuneration variable I have already taken it as P. Number of laborers I have taken it as Q. So again you have to take the same thing, because you have to find the remuneration of 17 laborers. That's why. So you have to write the statement. P is equal to question mark, Q is equal to 17. You have to use the formula of the constant of variation in direct variation. P is equal to KQ, where K is the constant of variation. P you have to find, because you have to find remuneration of 17 laborers. Constant of variation K is equal to 250, which you already got answer. When you divided 1000 by 4 over here, you got the constant of variation K is equal to 250. So you have to substitute the value of constant of variation K is equal to 250, and Q value you have to substitute 17. Means you have to multiply this 250 into 17. P is equal to 250 into 17. Multiply this. I have multiplied here 250 into 17. I am getting the answer 4250. Therefore, P is equal to 4250. Therefore, remuneration of 17 laborers is equal to ₹4250. If you understood, practice at 7.1. Give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.